Hey geeks, I'm Nick. We wanted to do one last build to kind of round off the year, and we're going to call it our Christmas build. It's not really, it's like just the last build for the year. And the reason for it is on the Vision video, we actually had a lot of people asking to see a few things. They wanted to see the Vision motherboard, the Vision 3080, they wanted to see Lian Li streamer cables, and the BeQuiet PureBase 500DX in white. So we gave you guys exactly what you wanted and built this as a bit of a treat for you to round out the year. Are you ready, Claire?
Yeah.
All right, let's roll that intro. They are designed to inspire you guys to build beautiful PCs of your own. And we use parts that we've got in our inventory to put this together. And you guys requested this, so that's what we're gonna do it. There's no benchmarks, there's none of that stuff. It's just some beautiful cinematic goodness for your eye holes. Let's get building. ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this build in the BeQuiet Pure Base 500DX in white. And let's talk about everybody's favorite part, the parts. But before we do that, I'm just gonna jump over there to talk about them. So let's just quickly do that. Well, that wasn't very flattering. Anyways, so the motherboard that we went with is the Gigabyte B550 Vision D. We've done lots of content with this motherboard already, and you guys like when we use it, so that's why we decided to use it. The CPU that we threw on there is the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. No real reason, just because I had it available at this point in time. I wouldn't recommend using this cooler with that 16-core hot boy, but you know, here we are, end of 2020, I don't care. Anyways, to cool the 5950X, we're using something new from Fantex. It's their brand new Glacier 1240 MPH. Does that mean miles per hour, Claire? Yeah. Does the cooler go at 240 miles per hour? Maybe. Does it? Okay. Yes, well, that's what we used to call it, but we didn't use the Fantex fans for it. The GPU that we went for is the Gigabyte RTX 3080 Vision. It's the white one, the one that everybody likes, and don't worry guys, that strip on the side, everyone's like, it's purple, Claire. It's purple, I hate it. Why isn't it just white or silver? But it's purple. Can't even see it, relax. Hey, come on, let me be funny for once. You guys are giving me a hard time all year. The RAM is 32 gigs of Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB in white at 3600 megahertz. All 6 fans in the case are the Cooler Master Sickle Flow ARGB in white, and they're pretty quiet. They've actually done a good job on making their fans quieter now, which I can definitely agree with. Claire, we've come to that part of the video that we joke about every time we do a video with these cables. Why, Claire?
Wait, what cables are those?
What cables are they? What cables are they?
Nick.
What?
What cables are they?
Oi, Claire. What cables are they?
I don't know. What are they?
What are they? I don't know. Where do you get them?
Shop.
How do you find out? Watching the video usually I will tell you what they are. They're the Lian Li Strimmer Plus RGB. They're the newer ones that they released, I don't know, like last year or something. Yes, and they are, I think they're tricky to get now, I don't know. But yes, they're Lian Li cables. Every time we use them, we legitimately get asked which cables they are more than anything else in the comments. But yeah, just watch the video and you can usually find out which ones they are. Anyways, the case is the last bit I wanted to quickly chat about. It is the BeQuiet Pure Base 500DX in white. We've actually done a full review of this case and I liked it. And there's a link in the top right hand corner if you want to watch it. But you know what, Claire?
What?
I'll talk about one more thing. The RGBs are all configured with the case lighting, with the built-in RGB controller. Yeah, so it's nothing actually fancy going on here. And the lighting effect on the cables is with the built-in RGB controller that comes with the cables. And other than that, I think we're done. I think we're done. What do you think, Claire?
Hell yeah.
Okay, well, that's gonna wrap it up. I think this is probably the last video, one of the last videos we're gonna film. Well, it's the last build that we're filming this year. I'm not building any more PCs this year. We've done, how many have we done this year? Like 80 something, 85 or something like that? It's a lot, it's been a lot. It's been a lot this year. We're almost at 200 build videos on the channel alone, which is pretty crazy. Anyways, guys, we appreciate you very much. We hope you stay safe during this time of the year with your family, like eat lots of food, do all of that stuff. And with all of that said, ladies and gentlemen, whatever religion you are, whatever faith you follow, whatever holidays you celebrate, have a happy holidays. And we'll probably see you a couple more times before the year rounds out, but no more build videos. This is gonna be the last one. And the other videos that we'll probably put out for the rest of the year are gonna be like vloggy type of videos where we're cleaning up and doing stuff like that and just hanging out for a chat. We might do one Q&A by the end of the year, Claire. What do you reckon? Claire might be in a video? Yeah. Maybe that's the real Christmas present. Claire can be in...
I am the gift.
Claire is the gift. Well, I made this video as a gift to you guys because it's my love letter to 2020. I think you know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, guys, if you want to know what the parts are for this PC, there's a PC part picker list down below. There's chapters if you can't be bothered watching the whole thing, which is something we've been doing lately and people actually been appreciating it. And if you like the music, I make all the music. It's available over on our Patreon. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I am your, not as festive as last year boy with Nick Gear Seekers. Wow, tongue twister. You peak, we seek. And yeah, we'll probably catch you again before the end of the year. But as you probably have seen in the last couple of days, we haven't been uploading because we're taking a break. And I've sunk 60 hours into Cyberpunk, which is ridiculous because the game's been out for like a week and a half and I've already put 60 hours in. I've been playing a lot. Yesterday I woke up, I was like, I'm not making a video today, and I just played like the whole day from when I woke up to when I went to bed. The game's really good. I don't care what people say. There's like, you know what, Claire, I'm just gonna go off on a tangent here and quickly chat about Cyberpunk. Claire's like, I'm sick of hearing about it. So if you do like all of the side quests, it's like a whole story on its own. So it feels like a whole game. If you do like the other types of quests, like all the jobs and gigs and whatever, that feels like a whole different game. And when you do the main story, it feels like a whole different game. So it feels like you got 3 games in one. It's pretty good. I like it. I don't care what the haters say. Here's something controversial. CD Projekt Red's a PC game developer. Ooh. So there's no surprise that it runs pretty well on PC. This thing would play Cyberpunk like a mofo, actually. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm out. Controversial Nick, 2020. It's been a year. I swore a lot this year in videos too. People just didn't know. Yeah. Is that what the air from the back of a fan tastes like?
Do we?
I'm breathing the computer's feelings. Oh, you can taste all the RTX coming off that. Ooh, the PCIe Gen 4 tastes pretty good too. What about if I talk into the fan like this? Claire sometimes says to me, I'm not quite sure why I married you.
I also say, why are you like this?
And why you like this. Actually, can I talk in the fan? Hello. No, I almost put my tongue in the fan. Oh my god, I'm giving you bonus content, guys. It's the end of the video. You gotta get the bonus content. For people who hang around, sometimes I do this and it goes on for like 3 minutes. People are like, oh, the video goes for like 25 minutes. That's because 7 minutes of it is me being an idiot at the end. Why am I like this?
You done?
I think so. Last one for 2020. Build, not video. Still got a couple more reviews to do. I didn't